लेफ्ट डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी आज जंतर मंतर पर एहतजाजी मुजाहरा कर रही है। पार्टी का मुतालबा है कि शहरी तरमीमी बिल को वापस लिया जाए और एनआरसी को फिर से तैयार किया जाए जिसमें कोई भी शहरी छूट न जाए। एहतजाजियों ने अमित शाह के बयान पर भी एतराज किया और कहा कि अमित शाह ने 40 लाख लोगों को बाहरी करार दिया है। आइए सुनते हैं किसने क्या कहा।
For this program, Left Democratic Munch, come from Left Democratic Munch. So our demands are like immediate withdrawal of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, which the BJP Sarkar after coming to power.
We are demanding two. First demand is withdraw the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, and our second demand is prepare the NRC, which is being updated in Assam, including all Indians. No Indian should be left out of the NRC. These are the demands. The first demand, you know, that in Indian constitution is intrinsically secular. There is no place to differentiate between two people on the basis of religion. But this bill is meant to give citizenship to those who have come across the border if they are non-Muslims. So this is totally opposing or totally will destroy the Indian constitution. So we are opposing this, number one. Number two, this will violate the Assam Accord, and Assam Accord is legalized because, you know, in Citizenship Act 1955 there is a clause 6A which says that those who have come to Assam from specific territory, that means Bangladesh, up to 1971-24 March, everyone will be granted citizenship in Assam. So this bill, if is turned into an act, it says that up to 2014, all non-Muslims who have come across to India, they will be given citizenship. So on these 2 points, we are opposing this bill. Number two important is in NRC, you include every Indian citizen. You know, Amit Shah has said that those who are left out, 40 lakh people are left out. So 40 lakh people are intruders, Guspeti. This is an insult to Indian people because out of these 40 lakhs, lakhs of people are Assamese people. Lakhs of people are Hindi-speaking people, Nepali-speaking people. Even the Bengalis, most of the Bengalis, those who are left out, actually they are Indians. Most of them are illiterate. Most of them are, I do not know how to fill up the forms. So because of that, they are not finding their names in NRC. NRC is faulty. So we are demanding that every Indian should get their names in NRC.